What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode we are going to be looking at most of the major cryptocurrencies, specifically XRP, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as QQQ, and then the S&P 500. Now, specifically what we need to look at is the major rebound that's actually taking place on most of the major cryptocurrencies. As you remember in yesterday's episode, we were wondering why the markets immediately dumped. Now, we knew something was coming. And what typically happens is when we see major movements in the markets, they always tie it in with whatever's happening at that moment. It always has been like that here. We have been tracking a beautiful symmetrical triangle. I mean, it doesn't get any more perfect than this. I mean, look at this thing. This has been building, brewing, we knew, and I literally timed it on my previous videos. Look, less than 3 days, less than 1 day happening right now. And that's the breakout. Several days prior to this pump happening, we called that we were going to see this movement here. And what's funny is they then released information. Oh, the reason for the cryptocurrency dump is because China's deep chat AI is better technology and cheaper, and they built the same thing as ChatGPT with a fraction of the money, and it's even better than ChatGPT. And then boom, that's what causes the crash. No, I highly doubt that. We have been preparing and tracking this run to happen for days now, and we knew that this dump was going to happen. And then whatever news is articles floating around during this time, that's what they pin it on. So it's interesting, it's iconic, it's ironic, and here we are with the reversal back up. That's what's interesting that we're going to have to talk about here. A lot of these cryptocurrencies saw that. XRP really had the best rebound, maybe even Bitcoin here, which is quite interesting too. So we're going to have to adjust these charts, see what's going on, and if that's the case, we would probably continue to head up. I mean, stock market and QQQ should head back to the upside if that's correct. So with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, remember BYDFI is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel, and they're currently offering up to $8,100 in free bonus cryptocurrency to those that sign up with the link down in the description below. You can get $100 pretty much right off the bat, which you can leverage trade up to 200x, which is way too much, but it is there if you want it. And you can get up to 8K if you are a whale of some sort here, but definitely make sure to check them out. More info about BYDFI will be later on in today's episode. But with that being said, diving into the technical analysis, you guys can see here with the current market, we've been tracking this like we knew this breakout was coming. Look, we were tracking this several days ago. Pattern is beautifully drawn here on what is this? The thumbnail. And then we have just 2 days prior, we got 7,000 views. We knew urgent, less than 1 day left before we see the XRP breakout. And then boom, lo and behold, less than 1 day, we see the breakout actually occur. We knew this was coming. This is not current events. This is not news, and it's by no means it should by no means be a shock to anyone, because it doesn't get any more obvious than that. We knew this run was going to happen here. Current coin market cap. Wow, I cannot speak today. That's how excited I am to make a video for you guys. You can see global crypto market 3.5 trillion, up 2%, 53 on the fear and greed index, trading at about neutral here. Consolidation. You can see as the weekend prevailed, then getting ready, we see the movement on Monday, major dump. We typically see the stock market in crypto kind of flatline on the weekends, and when it comes time for the the weekday, we see the volume come and boom, major dump, XRP major dump. I mean, it's not surprising by any means here. That's what caused the correction. We were planning and preparing for this. Here's that dip actually taking place here. And now I want to continue on XRP because this is where things get very interesting. So many weeks ago, as you remember on the channel, we were tracking some sort of fractal here, something like that, like more so something like this. We weren't sure, but we said, oh, maybe that's it here. And then recently we're like, I mean, it still could be, which is kind of odd. If you leave it like this, it almost looks like there is still some sort of descending fractal here. I don't know how you want to draw this. It's really tough. I'm trying to include this previous outlier here, and if we include that, we can see the descending fractal. But we had a symmetrical triangle forming here. We broke down, very easy buying opportunity to short. And then since then, we knew, hey, maybe we could draw on that support again. So we have 3 points of confirmation, especially with the reversal rally you see here. No surprises there. And now that market is causing us to correct to the upside here. Again, very happy that we're seeing this movement. It's causing the dip to take place, and the reversal is now taking place here. We found some sort of bottom support. We became really oversold when XRP crashed, really oversold, starting to reverse out. So we knew we would see some sort of rebound here, maybe to moving average. But what's interesting is it seems like whatever it was wasn't that important. You could even call it a bear trap if you didn't sell out here, but we knew trading on the 4-hour, we were destined for a correction, and that's what took place here. We see the dip, now we're reversing up, and we're kind of in the same place as we were. So I almost want to like extend it out and say, hey, maybe we need to pay attention to this. If we close the daily above this resistance here, then maybe we would head up, you know? Maybe we are due for that bullish movement here. We are still in what would be a bull flag. And as you guys know, bull flags are, you know, traditionally bullish. So I would not be surprised if we see that movement take place today or in the next coming weeks. Now, we are looking at the 4-hour, and that does complicate things a hair. So if you wanted to do that, you could maybe even extend it like that and say, okay, looking at it like this, if this is broken on the 4-hour, that would confirm maybe enough resistance or support to see volume come in and rally us to the upside here, because this isn't enough to say, hey, bullish, buy in. You know, you have to pay attention to the wicks here. And if we close and confirm where we are in the daily, that's a different story. That might set us off for a bullish run. So that's pretty exciting here. We'll do all these trades on BYDFI, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. As you guys know, BYDFI offers XRP to leverage trade that not many exchanges offer, which is very cool. So take advantage of this bullish market with BYDFI down in the description below. You can see kind of the descending fractal that we're kind of tracking right now. Pretty obvious what's at stake here. It's like another smaller bull flag, clear as day. And if we can get above that, I would expect to see an imminent rally. We can jump to the 4-hour, and you almost see that pattern happening. Daily looks cleaner for sure, but if we jump to 4-hour, we can obviously adjust to include this support here, and then you have the top resistance here. So it's very obvious that we know what's forming here, and we could just move this up to the daily to make it make a little more sense here. And if we get that confirmation above that, expect to see a bullish reversal here. I'm calling it now. We're very bullish here. As I said, prior to the breakdown happening here with this little correction, I said I'm still very bullish here, and we have this mid-reversal swing. And if we confirm closure above that, I wouldn't be surprised to see that rally take off. The best part about BYDFI is they do offer a demo trading account, which gives you, I believe, $50K in demo trading money to practice your skills, get familiar with the platform, learn how to trade. If you can make some consecutive trades in the green, then you can consider switching to live trade or live trading with real bonus cryptocurrency. Whatever you trade with the bonus cryptocurrency, you can withdraw completely free, which is cool. Like, make sure to just take advantage of the free stuff that's offered here. Trading profits can be withdrawn on bonus crypto. So that's pretty cool if you ask me. Make sure to take advantage of that. Otherwise, moving forward from BYDFI and XRP, Solana had a major dump, and it almost seems like we need to extend the downtrend now, since that's going to now be the active resistance. Consolidating here. Again, wouldn't buy into any of these cryptos just yet. Let the markets take their toll. Let them consolidate out before we make any sort of rash decisions here. Let the consolidation take over, and then we can kind of figure out what's good with these markets here. And that's pretty much what I'm going to say for all the cryptocurrencies remaining here, aside from XRP, which we should still let consolidate, let it confirm its resistance here. But with the reversal, the correction back up, we still have the same targets, the same resistances. We need to break through those before we can declare a bullish market. Same thing with Bitcoin, as all the other cryptocurrencies were. Extend this out. There's that rejection. There's that resistance. Let's get above that before we can confirm when to be buying in and whether we're going to short it or buy in long. Now, what's interesting is with these cryptos reversing, I would likely think QQQ in the stock market would do so too, but it doesn't seem like that's possible. We're still inside this descending fractal, clear as day here. We had a huge fall yesterday, and now we're consolidating down. I guess tech got hit by the AI. Now we're falling down. We're still in that fractal. We don't look bad by any means. These cryptos, I had said, look like they want to head lower, as we've done in the past here. We usually go below the red band, or at bare minimum, retest red band. And we're kind of high up here, but we're still inside resistance. So that means, hey, time to extend this out. And again, we're looking for a retest. I might almost be able to extend this out a bit too. and say, look at the descending fractal that's forming here. We're waiting for a retest. Very easily could we hit here and then see the reversal. But I'm bullish long-term for a lot of these cryptos within several weeks, past week or two, maybe not, or within a week or two, maybe not, within a week or two, but maybe several months, let's say, I could see us very easily going like this, and that could send us into March. So hopefully that makes sense to you guys. With that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. See you in tomorrow's video. Peace.